Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Lady Comb Shoulder Walkaround. Now obviously knowing how to do a Lady Comb would be really helpful, and knowing something about how your frame works would be really helpful. Links in the description below. But if you're ready, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. How many twists you do is up to you, how many slow ones, how many fast ones. All of these things will change depending upon how you connect to your partner and what you're listening to. So let's break it down. Starts off, semicircle back to 2 hands. We're going to be walking the lady forwards. We're going to use the right hand, so this loop is going to go over the lady's head as we walk in. But we're going to let go of the hand, and we're going to go palm down over the lady's shoulder, and we're going to hang on with the left hand out of the lady's shoulder height so that we're now walking around in this position. This is going to be a nice strong connection to the rest of the lady's frame, so that if we move one, we add rotation to the other. Okay, so once we're walking, we're going to give the lady a little twist by extending the arm away, and then we're going to carry on walking the entire time. We're going to bring the lady towards us slow. So that's going to be slow, slow, and then we're going to do it double time. So you get for every step. So you get 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then we're going to do a prep. So one big one, which is going to lead into a travelling return, and we're done. Okay. Some people start towards them first. Some people start away from them first. It works both ways. So slow motion, thinking numbers. We go back. 1, we comb, pick up the shoulder. 2, we're going to go slow 3, slow 4, fast 5, 6, 7, prep 8, big return 1, and back 2. Let's try it. Here we go. 5, a 6, a Lady Comb Shoulder Walkaround. It's a back, comb, slow, slow, quick, 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 prep, return, and back. And that is it. Hope you've enjoyed it. Great move to use to pick out rhythms and do some musicality with. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Nice music recommendation on the end of something to practice to for this. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.